Parth, how was the collaboration with Palash this time?
Well, I would say my take was different. The song was different. It's a different rap song. It's a interesting output, and all I want to know is all I wanted to do is do something different rather than playing Anurag for the longest amount of time. Break your barrier and do something interesting. So I really enjoyed it. I had a good time, and although it was a short shoot, but we had fun. It was lovely shooting with Shakti, and she's a great dancer, amazing performer. But over here, we didn't make her dance, we made her act. So that was another task altogether, but yeah, we enjoyed it overall.
Palash is also your friend, so how did you manage to balance the differences?
हाँ, differences भी आते थे तो थोड़ा वो मेरी सुनता था, मैं उसकी सुनता था. But of course, at the end of the day, you have to listen to the director, how he wants. Because he has already imagined it and he wants it in a particular manner. If at all, if I need to correct it, sometimes I do, yes. तो वो मेरी सुनता है. He's cooperative enough, he understands कि अच्छा ये ऐसा हो सकता है, तो it looks more interesting. तो वैसे हमारी बॉन्डिंग अच्छी है. We don't get pissed off regarding our egos and anything for that matter. ऐसा कुछ है भी नहीं. तो yeah, we enjoyed shooting.
The song shows a low phase in one's life. Have you faced that in your real life?
जी बिल्कुल होता है. जी बिल्कुल. इनफैक्ट हुआ भी है. And it's a part of life. And all I know is today I always cherish the beautiful memories of whatever I had, and I've moved on, and it's just me being happy and spreading happiness is all I believe. And also अगर आप ऐसे zone में हो इस वक्त, तो just understand all I want to say, and that's what I keep saying to my friends as well, whoever is going through. ये एक वक्त है, एक फेज़ है, ये जाएगा, ये हमेशा कभी नहीं रहेगा, और 6 महीने बाद आप खुद इस फेज़ पे हंसोगे भी कि आपने ऐसा भी कुछ किया था. तो बस रिलैक्स रहो, वक्त को बीतने दो, और जस्ट लिव योर लाइफ. जस्ट लिव लाइफ नॉर्मली. ट्रस्ट मी, you will just become normal, you will become happy, and maybe you will find someone better.
Can the audience expect you taking over the web or the Bollywood space as well?
Of course, in fact, मैं इसी के साथ OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी एक शो कर रहा हूँ, Z5 और ऑल्ट बालाजी को लेकर. सो मेरी वर्कशॉप्स भी शुरू हो गए, तो मैं धीरे धीरे एक कदम बढ़ा रहा हूँ अपने आप. और जो यूनिट है वो एक फिल्म यूनिट है जो मैं शो कर रहा हूँ, तो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, और देखने को बनता है कि कैसे फिर आगे क्या शेप अप होता है.
A list of directors you wish to work with in Bollywood?
List of directors, yes. Rajkumari sir, Rajkumari Rani sir, I would say Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir. There are too many people. There is Karan Malhotra, and there is Ayan Mukherjee. So overall, there are lots of people. In fact, I would love to work with the entire industry, because the industry has so much of talent.